gonna take a trip to the south and make fried chicken. It's golden and crispy on the outside and absolutely delicious on the inside. You could go get a bucket and that's delicious. But today I'm gonna show you all the tips and tricks so that you can make your very own bucket at home.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
It starts off with a marinade. And buttermilk is key to it because not only is it fatty and delicious, but it's also slightly acidic, and that starts making the meat even more juicy. So buttermilk goes in. We're gonna add an egg. Now we're gonna make that buttermilk even more flavorful by adding salt and spices. Coming in with salt, a little black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Let's whisk all these ingredients together. Great. Marinade is looking good. It's salted, it's spiced. Now we're gonna put in our chicken. I'm using thighs and drumsticks. They're both dark meat. Dark meat is much more forgiving with cooking. It's more tender. Get each piece covered real well. We got our chicken and our marinade. Now we're gonna put it in the fridge and let time do its work. I'm gonna let this marinate until it's nice and juicy and full of flavor. So our chicken's been marinating. I'm taking it out of the fridge. Taking the chill off the chicken helps with even cooking. Now we're gonna make our crispy coating. And it starts with flour. We got baking powder here. And cornstarch is gonna make it even crispier. Struggle whisk 7500. Bring your dredge together. We want all that baking powder and cornstarch to be mixed evenly throughout the flour. Great. We're gonna fry in oil and then we're gonna finish it in the oven. We've got our marinade. Our chicken is not so chilly anymore. This is really good. We're gonna dredge it. We take a piece of chicken. We lift it, drip this excess marinade off, put it right in the flour. Use your grubby hand here to completely coat it in the flour. Mix it around a couple times. And now we go into the fryer. We're looking for about a 325-degree oil temperature so the outside gets crispy without burning. Next piece. So we put it in there, it starts crisping up, it gets brown. Don't overcrowd your pan. You want that oil to be freely moving around each piece of chicken. I'm gonna flip over our first piece. And that's what we're looking for, that nice golden brown exterior. It's gonna be crunchy and fantastic. A lot of people think frying is all about fast, right? But fried chicken is actually slow and low. At this point, we can pull our first piece of chicken. I'm gonna lift it, I'm gonna drain it a little, and I'm gonna land it on my rack. Boom. And this way, I can finish them in the oven. All right, these look great. To the oven. All right, these are golden and fantastic, but now we're gonna cook them all the way through. Woo, these look amazing. Woo-wee! This looks golden and crispy and fantastic. The aromas are intoxicating and all I wanna do is sink my teeth into them. Let's make a plate. It's golden, you got these nice crevices and edges which are just screaming crunchy textural variants. And it's $2.48 a serving. Here we go. You got a drumstick right here. It's crispy on the outside and it is incredibly juicy on the inside. And that's all thanks to that marinade. I taste the paprika, I taste that garlic powder, and it is tender and juicy. It's really crispy because we fried it at the right temperature. We didn't let it burn. We finished it in the oven. It takes some effort and some patience, but it's totally worth it.